Hey there, web enthusiasts. Welcome to Conquer Web, your ultimate destination for all things web development and SEO. I'm thrilled to have you here on our channel.
Here, we dive deep into the world of web development, exploring topics like responsive design, front-end and back-end technologies, and the latest coding trends. But that's not all. We're also your go-to resource for demystifying the mysteries of SEO, helping you optimize your websites and rank higher on search engines. What sets Conquer Web apart is our commitment to making learning fun and accessible. We break down complex concepts into simple, easy-to-understand tutorials, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their skill level, can thrive in the digital landscape. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for being part of our growing community. Your support fuels our passion, and we're dedicated to delivering high-quality content that empowers you to conquer the web. So, if you're ready to embark on an exciting journey of mastering web development and SEO, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in. Get ready to conquer the web with us at Conquer Web. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and until next time, happy coding and optimizing. See you soon.